Time management and its importance. Time management refers to the practice of effective planning, organizing, controlling one's activity tasks within the specific time frame. It involves making conscious decisions about how to allocate the time. Benefits of effective time management: increase productivity, reduce stress, burnout, improve work-life balance, enhance focus and concentration. 3 common management challenges: procrastination, lack of prioritizing, overcommitment, constant interruptions. Time management matrix. Explanation of urgent, important quadrants. Example of task in each quadrant. How to allocate time according to the quadrants. Setting small goals. SMART goals is a specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bounding, benefit using SMART goals for time management. Examples of SMART goals. Next is prioritization technique. The first important urgent to be put first. As for the urgency and important, it should be the sequence. ABC method to be assigned. The next is overcoming procrastination, understanding the cause of procrastination. Technique: beat procrastination, Pomodoro techniques, work break cycle, reward system for the accomplishing tasks. Delegation and outsourcing. Identifying tasks for delegation, benefits of delegating, tips for successful delegation, outsourcing for personal and professional tasks. Time management tools and apps can be used for the time management. Calendar apps, task management, time tracking apps, note taking apps. It will help in the time management. Effective time management at work. Creating a daily routine, avoiding multitasking, minimizing distractions, setting boundaries and saying no. Effective time management in the personal life. Balancing work and personal commitment, allocating time, self-care, hobbies, importance of quality time and sleep, rest. Monitoring and adjusting your time management approach, regular reviewing and reflection of your time usages, making necessary adjustment. The conclusion of the time management is encouragement to implement time management strategy, acknowledgement of improved productivity. Thanks for watching. Please